Okay, for this question, we have the second method to do it. That is, if we want to consider this straight line touches a circle, then you need to find a constant h. Then how can we find this value of h? First of all, you change this straight line be the standard form first, and then we can try to find the center and radius of the circle in terms of h first. So that's a very important concept is if you know from the question that the straight line touched the circle, it means that the distance between the center to the straight line actually equals to the radius. Okay, so actually we have the formula to find the distance between a single point to a straight line. And here the distance is talking about the shortest distance or the perpendicular distance. Here's the formula. You substitute the point into the equation of straight line. As you can see, there's a straight line 1x plus 2y minus h equal to 0. That's the standard form of straight line. X will be replaced by the x coordinate of the point 4. Y will be replaced by the y coordinate of a point 5 here minus h, and this will be put in the numerator. And the denominator is just like the Pythagoras theorem format, the coefficient of x squared plus coefficient of y squared, and then x square root. And these two straight line means the absolute value sign. Absolute value sign. It means you just consider the magnitude of this expression. We just consider the magnitude of this expression. So it's a very powerful formula to find the distance between a single point to a straight line. Now you set this one equals to 41 minus 4h. The radius equals to the distance between the center to this straight line, 1x squared plus 2y minus h equal to 0. The problem is how do we tackle this absolute value sign? One of the usual method is with both sides take bracket square, because when you take bracket square to this absolute value sign, the effect of this absolute value sign will be diminished. Why? Since if you take the absolute value sign, it means you don't want any negative answer, right? So the effect is just like taking the square. When you take the square to an expression, you just remove the negative answer. It always be positive or non-negative. But of course, you can just do in this way when you solve the equation. Okay, you can take both sides to the square root to remove the effect of the absolute value sign. So left hand side, that's left 41 minus 4h. And right hand side, 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus h. And then taking square root 5. And then 4 square. So here, square root of 5. And then take square, that's 5. So 5 times 41 minus 4h will equals to h minus 14. 14 minus h bracket square. And you simplify this, 205 minus 20h equals to 196 minus 28h plus h square. Then what you get, that is h square minus 8h minus 9 equal to 0. So you can get h equals to positive 9 or h equals to negative 1. So that's finished the question. You can look at the whole solution here. First of all, find the center and radius, and then set the distance between the straight line and the center, and then solve the equation. That's the solution of this type of question.